Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get YouTube ideas if you want to start a YouTube channel and you don't know how to do it. So this video is for you. So let's start the video. So these are very basic steps. By using ChatGPT you can easily know what's the ideas of YouTube, trendy contents and all that. First of all, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, and also like the video and comment below if you like this video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So let's start the video. Now you have to go to your ChatGPT. Here ChatGPT gives all the information that you need to start a new channel. So you have to ask him, if I ask anything, ChatGPT will give you answers in a few seconds. Now you have to say, give me some ideas for first YouTube channel. Like if you are a new creator and you want to create something new content on YouTube channel and you don't have any idea, so you can ask ChatGPT. It gives you a list of ideas. If you want to review content, if you want to how to videos, if you like, if you're interested in anything, there's our portion, like there's our different profession. If you're interested in gaming, if you're interested in music, entertainment, you can also tap all the ideas on the screen you can see. Now you have to go to check these ideas one by one. Now let's check storytime ideas first of all, like it's trending or not. We want storytime ideas, storytime channels. You can see there's a channel for children stories on a screen. So this is very famous channel. You can also create these type of stories. This is very wider content. So this is how you can check one by one the ideas that ChatGPT give you, and if you feel suitable yourself you can easily create that ideas. You can see this a lot of ideas. You can easily make a content on your first YouTube channel if you're starting. So hope so friend you like this video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and stay tuned with me for more updates. You can see there's a shorts famous also channels. You can see the views of these channel. So hope so you learn a lot of from this video. So if you are want to start your channel on short speed, so draw and craft is the best idea. You can easily, so you have to check one by one all the ask ChatGPT popular content and all that. It will give you answers in a few seconds. So this is the today video. Hope so you like it.